We are told given the function, class, they said given the function f of x equals class. When you see a function like this kind of function is called an absolute value function. 5 minus 2x such that x is less than 2. 1 such that x equals to 2. Class, are you aware I'm in session? Are you aware of that? 3x minus 5 so that x is greater than class, so that x is greater than what? This activity 3.3 question 1. They say we should find I, lay f of x as x tends to 2. Class, please understand. Look up. This is a different type. Look. Leave f of x as x tends to class. They give us 3 different functions of x with conditions. With what? That means we have to use 5 minus 2x if x is less than 2. We have to use 1 if x is equal to 2. And we have to use 3x minus 5 if x is greater than. So class, they said find limit f of x as x tends to 2 class. Without solving, my answer is 1. Because when x equals to 2, f of x is what? 1. Class, had it been in this place, they put 3x plus 5. My answer would have been 3x plus 5. I will now replace x as what? 2. I will replace x as what? 2 and get a final figure. But class, there's nowhere to put x, so it's just 1 that is here, right? So there's no solving needed here. My answer is what? 1. I now said we should find lim f of x as x tends to 3 class. Which of the following conditions meets x tends to 3? The third one. Because 3 means x is greater than 2. You will not use x less than 2 because x tends to 3. 3 is not less than 2, right? 3 is not equal to 2. 3 is greater than. So we are going to use this third. So we are going to say 3x minus 5. But x tends to 3 means anyway you see x put what? 3. 3 times 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. So the answer to this second part is 4. The third one class said I now. Lim f of x as x tends to 1. Class, which of them meets the condition x tends to 1? The first one, right? 1 means x is less than. Is 1 not less than 2? So we use this function 5 minus 2x and replace x as what? 1. 5 minus 2 into brackets. 5 minus 2 times 1 is 2. 5 minus 2 is what? So lim f of x as x tends to 1 is 3 class. Is what? 3. Class, we went further to question 2, still on activity 2.3, question 2. We're asked to evaluate the limits of f of x as x tends to 1, as x tends to. Now I, f of x equals, class, anytime you see this bracket, it means an absolute value function. It's also called a piecewise function, an absolute value function. 3 into bracket x raised to power 3 minus 1 square all over, okay, this bracket covers down to x minus 1 when x is not equal to 1, and f of x also 27 when x is equal to. So f of x is this if x is not equal to 1, and it is 27 when x equals to 1. Let us see what they ask us to find on the other side. Okay, so evaluate limit of f of x as x tends to 1. Class, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 is clearly 27. It's clearly what? X equals to 1 is clearly 20. But it can never be this one because this one says x must not be equal to. So it's clearly 27. We have solved activity 3.3 question 2. I is question 2I. Let's go to I. Come with me. Let's go to what? I. Well done, it's good. I knew you were. You're sharing together. So you can. That's good. You're practicing. You know what makes sense to do. Now, I, we are given f of x equals 3 when x equals to 1, and x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1 when x is not equal to, and they also ask us again to evaluate the limit of f of x as x tends to 1. So it's a limit of f of x as x tends to 1 must be equal to 3. Must be equal to what? 3. Because the answer is 3. Because we can't use this function. Why? To use this function, x must not be equal to. And they say find limit of f of x as x tends to any other number apart from 1. You use this down. So we are done with activity 3.3. In our next video, we'll be going to activity 3.4, talking about continuity of functions of real variables. Thank you for watching with us. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that when the videos drop, you'll be aware.